Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Word online in Chrome. This gives you cloud-based access immediately. Once logged in, install the Office Chrome extension or choose Open with Word from Google Drive to link files. Upload an existing docx or create a new document and make sure autosave is on, so changes sync automatically. This first setup gets you editing right away and prevents lost work while you continue to the detailed editing steps. Once your document is open, focus on editing and collaboration tools to be efficient. Use the ribbon to apply styles, adjust spacing, and manage headers and footers. These controls mirror desktop Word so formatting stays consistent. If others edit, enable track changes and add comments, then invite collaborators with share. Changes appear in real time. Also use built-in editor and researcher for grammar and sources, and rely on familiar shortcuts like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to speed up work while keeping formatting intact. Finish by saving the final copy and sharing it correctly. Use File Save as to download a PDF or docx or print through Chrome's print dialog for physical copies. Once done, set sharing permissions and send the link or attach the exported file. Check version history to restore prior drafts if needed. If Word Online misbehaves, pages not loading or edits not syncing, sign out and back in, clear Chrome's cache, or temporarily disable other extensions to resolve conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.